Assalamu alaikum people, welcome to my YouTube channel, welcome to another video. In this video I am showing you the video camera result of Infinix Note 10 Pro that I have recently bought. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and like this video, comment and share on it. Okay, so enjoy the video. As today the weather was very awesome, so I decided to go outside on a drive with my camera. This mobile has a main rear camera of 64 megapixel, which is doing great. I'm really satisfied. It's cost me around 31,500 rupees, which is a very good price for such device. Along with that, it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. Another cool feature of this mobile phone is that you can shoot the videos in 4K, which is really amazing. Alright guys, so it was a short video to demonstrate the video result of this mobile camera. If you like this cell phone, go for it. It's a good mobile phone, it's cheap and it's a fast mobile phone. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Please comment and share this video with your friends and family, and please support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.